All right, hello, welcome to our Center 4 of our Seed Dispersal unit, which is part of our Adaptations year-long theme. This one is Seed Inside a Seed. It takes a little bit of preparatory work, so I want to explain that a little bit. But first, what you're going to find in the bin, there's some background information, diagrams, parts of a lima bean, some different diagrams of seeds, how they sprout, information about germination, all that good stuff. So look through it, think about your audience, whether you're doing kindergarten or 4th grade, you're going to probably pick out different information to go over depending on the age of the students. We also have some different seeds in here, and you are welcome to bring in some seeds too if you want to do some more seed dissection. But feel free to explore the seeds and talk about the different types of seeds. And then go over the parts of a seed, which are all described on here and in the background information. And then each student is going to get a soaked lima bean. We don't have them soaked yet, but we'll try to have enough in there for the first couple of classes. But please, if you're doing this, we will have baggies of a class set of lima beans in the bin or on the ELF shelf. Grab one of those and then please take them home a few days ahead of time and soak them. The best way to do that, I think, is like layers of wet paper towels with the seeds. You probably did this when you were in elementary school, with the seeds in the middle, and that should cause them to soften up and maybe even start to germinate. So that's the goal, is to have a class set of softened, possibly germinating lima beans. And then each student will get one, and once they're soft, they break open pretty easily, and then they can usually see the different parts. And it's a chance for them to really get in and see the different parts, talk about how seeds become plants, and that whole process. Again, very hands-on. We have a couple of hand lenses they can pass around to get a closer look. We will also have some corn kernels, so they can kind of discuss the difference between monocots and dicots. And I'm also going to play around with soaking the corn kernels to see if we can get those to soften up so they can be dissected as well. Stay tuned for more information on that. But this is just another good science center where they can really get in there and look at the parts of seeds and talk about different types and how that relates to the whole process of growth in the life cycle. So any questions, or if we're running out of anything, or if there aren't enough beans in there, please let me know at mitchellelf@gmail.com. Thanks.